Basically, I start all with the shape. Okay, this is the oval shape. So like this. Okay, and this. Okay, make it shape like this. Okay, then I can modify that part. Okay, always try to make the with the basic shape, so you can learn lots of things. Okay. Next part is also I make it the body. Okay, here it's also I make the basic shape. See how I just make here the body like this. See, I make this like this. See, like this. Yes, nice, nice, very nice. Lakshmi, Srijani. Oh, okay. Draw this character too. Pluto, Pluto. Draw Pluto. Very nice this one. Try to draw what I show you now. Now make it like this. Okay, and I make some this shapes, right? This shape oval is very easy shape. I all drawing only these two shapes I use always, circle and oval. Okay. Just in this oval shape we are creating this. This is actually body and make it like this. Okay, see, like this. The leg, the body and leg part. Okay, so the leg over here. Okay, another hands like this. Like this. And this leg, another leg like this. Okay. So this is a Pluto character. Okay, make it nicely. So you can make it just with the depth. brush pen I can print. It looks more nice. Usually the Disney character is using the marker line for this is black. How can do this very nicely step by step with the circle, using the circle again for the A. I'm using this oval. For the body I am using this oval. This shape. If you learn all drawing with the shape, then it is a help you to read easily any drawing. That's why I show always the using circle and that's line. Like this. Then after that, if you wish to erasing that line, pencil line, you can erase it. Okay, but the basic shape is important. Okay, so what is the basic shape of this drawing? This is the basic. Okay, oval, this oval for him. This is line of action. This is the next basic body structure like this. Okay, head, torso and pelvis. The basic, and then it is coming the one hand, another hand, one leg, another leg, like this. The basic structure is very important to understand that. And then the tail. Whatever is making this eyes, make it basic structure. Yes, better. Wow.